Oh yeah, that's right. This is SafsLife. Oh yeah, that's right. Oh yeah, this is SafsLife.
Hello everyone, assalamu alaikum and welcome to another vlog. Today it is Saturday, I don't even know what date it is. Today, where's the date? The 12th of June. So we are headed to Leicester today. My mum is about to pick me and the kids up and we're going to go to Leicester. The main reason we're going to Leicester is to get like sweets and not party favours, like, you know, the little flavour things for my sister's wedding. That's why we're going to Leicester. But I thought I would show you how I do my scarf, because I have been getting so many questions on how do you do your scarf to make it stay back. So before, I literally just used to put it on like this, flick it over, and then this would happen, like it would just go over my earrings. So I was like, how am I going to keep this back? And then I was like, isn't it like the most simple thing ever? So I put it on so that I've got equal ends, like the size of it on each side, and then I literally get a pin and pin my underscarf here. So this underscarf is from Al-Manar. I know so many of you guys ask me where do I get it from. It's from Al-Manar on Coventry Road in Birmingham, and I'm sure they sell it online. I've never tried to get it online, but last time I did go to Al-Manar, which was like literally a few days before Eid, they didn't have it there, so I don't know if they actually do it anymore. But I literally just pin them like this. Yes, darling?
Can I have some ice cream?
No.
Why?
Because Nanny's coming soon and we're gonna go in Nanny's car, and I don't want you to have ice cream in Nanny's car. And that is how I keep the parts of my scarf back, and then I literally just flick, done. So that's the way that I do my scarf these days.
Mommy,
Easy peasy.
I want to. Daddy's gonna take really long to get here.
Go on then, have an ice cream. What's going on with your face? Oh, lipstick. Did I kiss you? Totty. I thought you had scratches on your face. Anyway, that's how I do my scarf. Simple, easy. These don't come forward ever. Earrings are always on show, so that's basically it. Like, you can pin it back and everything, but then this part isn't like as flowy as it is now. Do you know what I mean? Like, it's not perfect. Like, I wish I had a different way of doing it, but this is the best way I've found so far. You okay, gorgeous?
Can I have ice cream?
Yeah. So, also, I literally just made this in like 5 minutes. I had the template already sorted. I just needed to do the black, like cut the black out. I did this for Isa. Let me see your top. Show them your top. I did this for Isa. Like, I literally found an image on Google, then I edited it so that I could print it out. Like, it's very complicated. I'm not going to go into how I do it, but I ended up with this amazing design. How do we look? Do we love it? Do you love it? Look how cute it is. Yeah, baby?
I want to tell Lisa something.
I think you need to have some Piriton.
Me?
Yeah. Elisa's got allergies, cat allergies, and Totty's been here. So I think because Tot has cats, she has just got a bit of a reaction. So, oh, it's a squirrel! We just saw a squirrel in the tree outside.
Can I see?
It's gone now. I think it ran all the way up. Anyway, yeah, we're just getting ready to go, and then we're gonna go to Leicester. Also did Elisa's one. Look, come here, come closer. Hers is like an iridescent type body for the unicorn, and then cheers. Cheers. You guys are funny. But yeah, that's the kind of thing that I'm planning to do, but I don't know like exactly what I'm going to do yet. So we are on the way to Leicester. We're actually in Leicester right now. Elisa and Isa are both fast asleep, which is probably a good thing, so they'll be a little bit happier when they wake up and realise that we've got some good food and we're in Leicester. They were so grumpy before because of gummy bears. She wanted another one, I said no. He wanted 2, I said no. So now they're sleeping in a grump because I said no to gummy bears. Anyway, what are we doing in Leicester? What are we doing right now? Where are we going to go? Where are we headed?
Well, you can either get a Saints of MOKHA coffee,
Saints of MOKHA. Should we do that? Let's do Saints of MOKHA. 300 yards, turn right onto Upperton Road. So yeah, we're going to go to Saints of MOKHA and then I'll let you know what we're doing from there. Oh, by the way, I didn't even tell you, Mum's driving. David's here. Say hey.
Hi everyone.
No, it says warning, genius at work. Say hey.
I'm gonna do my special move. Oh, are you gonna do your special move? Oh, I said be careful.
we just got our drinks from Saints of MOKHA. How is it? Nice?
Okay. It's a lot sweeter.
Yeah.
Less
okay.
coffee.
We'll see you at the park. So we are in Victoria Park. You okay, baby? We're here. We're here. Isa and Elisa have got their scooters. Look how cute Elisa looks in her little skirt and t-shirt. Anyway, I've got a what is it called? A red velvet iced latte with an extra espresso shot and cream. Yep, I'm fatty today. Today's a fat day. But yeah, we're just about to get sorted and have a picnic. Park, a play area is just there. David is here waiting to be digging into the picnic too. That's why I come to the park, to have picnics, right David?
Correct. Is there any other reason to be in the park?
No, 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 no. There's been a question from a lot of my new subscribers. Who is David?
Ah,
Who are you?
I suppose the best way to describe me is your stepdad.
My stepdad, David. How many years have I known you now?
Oh, about 10 years.
10 years too many. Jokes, jokes.
10 years not long enough.
Off the road, guys. Onto the pavement. Ta and Mum and Wahid are here. They just paid for parking.
Picnic blanket.
Is everything okay?
Yeah, picnic.
Isa, what animal are you? What animal are you?
Cheetah.
Cheetah. Show us you being a cheetah. Whoa! He's so fast. We're just walking through the park and we're so far behind. Isa was like, oh no, I need to run like a cheetah. I'm a cheetah. So he's running now. I'm holding a scooter because he just, like, he runs with his scooter and he like almost trips over it every time. So yeah, we're just walking, running. He's running, I'm walking. Anyway, come on, go to David. Okay. Oh, sorry. Are we perching here? We went and got food from a place called Delicious Corner. We got a bunch of stuff. Yeah, you guys can start on your juices because it is very hot. We got some rolls, we got some pastries, some chicken sausage rolls, chicken rolls, or chicken pasties, yeah? I don't know. We got some chicken skewers, chicken wraps, basically a bit of everything, and everyone else is going to pick up other types of food and bring it down, and we're all just going to have a huge picnic. Exciting times.
It can vary 35 to 95 per person.
Per person.
It can vary. Yes, it can be 35 per person. It can.
We've got a special guest in our picnic today.
Hello.
Oh wait, the sun's cutting you out.
How is it?
There you go. This is Lewis. This is my first cousin. This is my dad's sister's son. So he's my first cousin.
This even confuses me.
And he's one of my favourite cousins.
Oh, thank you.
One of them.
One of them.
One of them.
Yeah, so, but yeah, he's here. Like, this is so random. Like, none of us live in Leicester, but we're in Leicester.
Oh! Yeah. I'm moving to Leicester, but I'm still living with mum and dad. But moving in a few weeks, so.
Well, yeah.
Yeah, you were
Lewis's debut to my channel, yay!
It's been a while, finally got on.
We're still in the park, guys. It is. What time is it? Where's the time on my? Oh, I'm like, where's the time on my watch? And it's literally like a clock. Anyway, thanks. Got a slush.
I have some. I want some.
Wait.
I went and brought him ice cream and myself a slush. Lena, come here. And he takes a slush from my ice cream.
Come in my vlog here. The lighting's better. Hanifa's here! You guys love Hanifa, don't you?
No.
Everyone loves Hanifa. Mum said she don't.
Stop it.
Mum don't love you.
See that behind the scenes, they're all mean to me.
No, I'm really nice,
I'm the runt. I'm the middle child.
the runt.
I have some slushy.
You're gonna
That's
have to
Luna.
ask Isa.
Oh my god. But Hanifa won't let you see her,
He
so.
said no.
You see her bottom half.
He said no.
You see her pretty dress.
You see her
Do a
dress?
He
12.
said no.
Do a 12.
Isa, can I have some slush, please?
Isa, can you share? Share, give some to Luna.
The girls wanted to take
Please.
but they didn't want to go. Oh, thank you. Thank you. Isa sharing. Oh god.
Not happy. Anyway, we're gonna go and get a dessert after this. Is that fun?
I can actually do it.
You can. We're in the play area now. Elisa's on this gym thing.
I know, I'm going on
So
it.
cute. Maya's going cray cray. I'm going to farm. You wanna get down? You wanna get down? I wanna go on it with you, Mommy.
It is good for your
Waist. So we're gonna go and find Isa now. He's gone to the park with Hanifa. Having fun there, Hanifa? Hello?
Fighting over the swings.
Oh dear.
Then they were fighting over this. I've never seen one of these before.
Where's Mara gone?
She got coffee, but it was closed. So
Oh man.
she got pizza instead.
Pizza? That's so random.
Fat butt. No, you push it. Oh.
Is it heavy now?
Yeah. That's why we have to keep pushing.
I'm actually gonna.
Oh no, I feel sick anyway, not even being on that.
Okay, please stop it.
No. Jump! Jump! You're right there. You look like you're gonna vom.
I actually feel like I'm gonna. Where do you want to go? And then. Enjoying yourself? Oh god. Leicester parks are so much better than Coventry parks. Coventry, Birmingham parks. Aren't they?
Yeah. The momentum is like keeping me going.
Anyway. I'm not even going to stop them because Hanifa didn't stop me. Pushing ladies on the swing. Say cheese! Had to have a sit down after that, did you?
I'm good.
You're good, yeah. Stand up then, go on. Where are you going to go after this?
Fudge puppies and then I'm gonna go.
Fudge puppies! I want to
Where are
go
you
fudge
gonna go?
puppies, but Mum doesn't want to go, so I don't know if we're going to go. Bye! Love you! Issa's crying because he thinks it's my car.
Mommy.
She stole my car. Hanifa stole my car. What did she get?
She comes all the way to Leicester to get Domino's.
I'll buzz your face out.
Gummy bear.
You got gummy bears.
Yeah.
Nice.
Yellow.
Green and yellow. Lisa, have you eaten your gummy bears? Yeah, these guys are so tired. We're heading home now.
I really want some more gummy.
See that on the inside how dirty it is.
Oh yeah, that's right. This is SafsLife. Oh yeah, that's right. Oh yeah, this is SafsLife.